Hello, today in the lesson we will continue solving the problem of directly proportional quantities. The condition of the problem is expressed in the form of a table. Again, the condition says that A is directly proportional to B. I write A is directly proportional to B. And we need to fill in the table in this problem and write in the formula of dependence A to B. It's very important to pay attention which quantity is proportional. And I'm told that A is proportional to B. Why? The thing is that when we use the formula of directly proportional quantities, we write it in the general form y equals k times x. And then if y is directly proportional to x, then in that case A is directly proportional to B. Then we have to write A equals k times B. And when we use this expression, you and I, we're going to write down an expression where A depends on B, and we're going to fill in this table. Let's start with our expression A equals K times B. Let's write A equals K times B. And when solving problems like this, we need to find the coefficient of proportionality, that is the number K. Let's pay attention to the values. A is equal to 42, B is equal to 14. A is 42, we don't know, and B is 14. By substituting this data into our expression, we can find the value of K. K equals 42 divided by 14. And in our case, it will be equal to 3. The coefficient of proportionality is equal to 3. Then we can already write down the relationship. Let's go back to our record and write down A equals 3 times B, and using this record we can fill in the table. Let's go to our table. We have B equals 8 and we need to find A. Then I write down A equals. Since the quotient is 3, I use this particular entry. A equals 3 times 8. And then A will equal 24. Let's write down. A is 24. And in the same way, you and I, to find the value of B. We'll use the same expression. A equals 3 times B. And the coefficient doesn't change. I'll write down, instead of A equals 114 times 3 times B. And then I can find B. B equals 114 times 3. 114 divided by 3 results in 38. And that's the value we're going to put in our table, 38. So today we have analyzed the problem of directly proportional value, but the condition was written in the form of a table. The algorithm of action is the same. We use the general notation of direct proportionality. Be sure to find the coefficient. And remember, the coefficient in one condition of directly proportional quantities does not change. In the next lesson, we will study another similar problem. And today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.